Let's quickly recap what you learned in this section. A heap is a complete binary tree, which means every level, except potentially the last level, is filled with nodes, and all levels are filled from the left to the right. We have two types of heaps, max heaps and min heaps. In a max heap, which is what you see here, the value of every node is greater than or equal to its children. Min heaps are the opposite of max heaps. Adding or removing an item from a heap runs in logarithmic time, because as part of these operations, we have to bubble up or down an item, and the maximum an item can travel is equal to the height of the heap. In math, we can prove that the height of a complete binary tree equals the logarithm of n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree. So that's why the insert and remove operations run in O of log n. Heaps don't support looking up values because of how the nodes are structured. They only allow us to inspect the maximum or minimum value depending on the type of the heap. In a max heap, the largest value is always at the root, and we can read it in constant time. In the next section, we're going to talk about another powerful data structure called tries. So I will see you next.